Imagine this, you're on a long commute, you've had a hectic day, and you just want to unwind. You open Spotify, scroll through some playlists, and within minutes, you've found the perfect mix of music that sets the mood. But how did Spotify know exactly what to recommend? How does it keep us coming back for more? This is where the uses and gratifications theory comes into play. In today's video, we'll be exploring how Spotify, one of the world's largest music streaming platforms, has successfully applied the uses and gratifications theory to revolutionize the way we consume music. By understanding what users actively seek and how they engage with content, Spotify has built a system that not only meets but anticipates our needs. Let's take a deeper dive into how Spotify uses this theory to keep us listening. Before we dive into Spotify's strategy, let's quickly recap what the uses and gratifications theory is. This theory, first developed in the 1940s, explains how people actively seek out media to satisfy specific needs or desires. Rather than being passive consumers of media, users have active roles, choosing content that fulfills their emotional, informational, and entertainment needs. For instance, you might use Spotify to escape, to stay informed, or to energize yourself for a workout. This active selection process shapes how companies like Spotify interact with their audiences. Spotify is a goldmine for personalization, and this is the first major way it taps into the uses and gratifications theory. When you open the app, the first thing you're greeted with is your home screen, filled with personalized playlists and recommendations based on your listening history, preferences, and even what you've skipped. Spotify's algorithms track everything you do, the songs you listen to, the artists you follow, and the genres you explore. This data collection allows the platform to offer content suggestions that cater to your immediate needs. Whether you're in the mood for relaxation, focus, or energetic tunes, Spotify ensures that your choices are always at your fingertips. At the heart of this personalization is Spotify's recommendation algorithm. This machine learning-powered system analyzes patterns in your listening habits and compares them to those of other users. Based on this data, it serves up music you're likely to enjoy, thus satisfying your need for instant gratification. Spotify's algorithm also takes into account how often you listen to specific genres, how long you engage with certain tracks, and even the time of day you tend to listen. It then creates personalized playlists like Daily Mix or Discover Weekly, giving you an ever-evolving, customized listening experience. Think about how Spotify creates personalized daily mixes. Each day, you're served a playlist with a mix of your favorite songs and some new ones. You might listen to it for a sense of familiarity or discover new music that fits into your playlist of familiar sounds. This satisfies multiple gratifications: emotional fulfillment, feeling relaxed or energized, social interaction, sharing playlists with friends, and self-expression, curating your unique music preferences. Spotify also plays a huge role in social interaction, an often overlooked aspect of the uses and gratifications theory. The app allows users to share playlists, create collaborative playlists, and follow friends or influencers to see what they're listening to. This creates a sense of community, enabling users to share not just music but emotional moments through songs. Spotify's collaborative playlists offer users the ability to create shared playlists with friends. Whether it's for a party or a road trip, this feature builds a social experience around music. The shared nature of playlists adds another layer of social connection as people bond over music choices and introduce each other to new tracks. Additionally, Spotify's Storylines feature lets users share their music tastes with followers, adding another dimension of personal expression. It's more than just a listening experience. It's a platform for social interaction. Another core aspect of the uses and gratifications theory is the immediacy of satisfaction. With Spotify, users don't have to wait long for their gratification. Whether you're in the mood for an old favorite or exploring new genres, the process is seamless and quick. Spotify's on-demand listening is perhaps the best example of how the platform delivers immediate gratification. Gone are the days of having to buy an album or wait for a song to be played on the radio. With a few taps, you can access millions of tracks in seconds. This is not just about content, it's about convenience. People want what they want when they want it, and Spotify delivers that. Spotify understands that people listen to music for emotional reasons. Whether it's to relax, energize, or reflect, Spotify uses the uses and gratifications theory to provide content that matches our emotional needs. This is particularly evident in curated playlists like chill hits, mood booster, or songs to sing in the shower. Spotify's Discover Weekly playlist, which changes every Monday, is an emotional experience. It taps into the user's mood from the previous week, often introducing music that fits their current emotional state. By understanding user behavior, Spotify fulfills both emotional and aesthetic needs, and even introduces users to genres or artists they may not have sought out on their own. People use Spotify to express who they are and share parts of their identity. The ability to follow certain genres, artists, or playlists reflects personal preferences, but it also helps people create an image of who they are based on their tastes. Spotify taps into this need for self-expression by allowing users to share their music preferences with others. For example, the Spotify Wrapped feature is one of the most popular ways Spotify encourages self-expression. Every year, Spotify users get a personalized summary of their listening habits, showing off how much music they've consumed, what genres they love, and what their favorite songs are. It's a form of digital identity that users can share on social media, satisfying their need to show who they are. Think about how people share their Spotify Wrapped results on social media. It's a fun way to show off your musical identity and connect with friends over shared tastes. The Wrapped experience taps into both social needs and self-expression by highlighting personal music journeys and allowing users to reflect on their emotional connection with music over the year. In conclusion, Spotify's success lies in its deep understanding of the uses and gratifications theory and the algorithmic power that drives it. By tapping into our emotional, informational, and social needs, Spotify has created a music platform that offers immediacy, personalization, and an ongoing connection to our daily lives. Whether it's through personalized playlists, on-demand access, or fostering social interaction, Spotify's platform continuously caters to our desires for entertainment, emotional fulfillment, and self-expression. As technology and media continue to evolve, Spotify's mastery of the uses and gratifications theory and its strategic use of algorithms set an example for businesses on how to build a user-centered experience. By giving users control, satisfying their immediate needs, and anticipating future desires, Spotify has turned listening into an experience that is personal, social, and inspiring.